So, the final ingredient, God, has arrived. And it's a frog. Yeah, actually did not expect that to happen, but it kind of does make sense because frogs are creatures who hibernate in the winters. Okay, and when things get warmer, they come back to surface. They hibernate underground, and they come back when things get warm. Like when the season changes, they come back on surface. So when the gourmet eclipse arrives, the entire Earth starts warming up. It gets hot, not because of the eclipse, but because, as it was explained earlier, that the ingredients themselves produce more energy. They become more uh, delicious, and they produce more amount of it than usual. Okay, so there was a massive amount of energy release that was going on within the earth and within the ingredients that were present there. And the presence of God was actually felt by almost everyone. You know, Toriko and his friends, Coco, Sunny, Zebra, everyone's gourmet demons, just uncontrollably popped out. Just the way they popped out during when they met Chi Chi and he showed them the apple. They just jumped out, and they couldn't control it. And even now they aren't able to control it because even the presence, the smell. I mean, Toriko is smelling God, and that aroma of him, of or it, that is provoking their gourmet demons to jump out of their body. And that is insane because even after eating Acacia, almost all of Acacia's full course menu, they are still not able to control. I mean, they still have to eat center and God, but still they have eaten almost all of the ingredients that were in his menu. And even now, they are not able to control their gourmet demons. This is something very interesting that his red demon, his Uni, came out. Oni came out rather than the blue demon or the white demon. I was expecting the white demon to come out because remember when Toriko was eating that shellfish, it awakened, and I was very curious of what purpose does that have. I mean, is it something to do with future arcs? Because I am very much 50-50 on the fact that Toriko might just end by the end of this arc. I mean, I don't want Toriko to end by the end of this arc, but there is a huge chance that this might just happen. But the arrival of God wasn't just the highlight of this chapter. The fight between Medora and Joey was on a completely different level because both of their abilities make this fight one-sided. I mean, when it comes to strength and skill and power, Medora has the upper hand. But when it comes to food luck and underhanded tactics, Joey has the upper hand. And that's what happened. Joey was trying to manipulate him, by turning into a Froze and using fungus, which would rot his body, and these underhanded tactics actually didn't work at first. She was just trying to gain that 0.1 second so that she could attack him. And Midora showed wicked skills. Like, he's no pushover, that we knew that from the very beginning. But man, the amount of power, like, even when Joey had the upper hand and she was cutting him down, using her gourmet luck as a form of defense and as a form of attack, he still was calm and composed, like, well, you're boring me right now, so yeah, go to fucking hell. That amount of strength was shown by Midora, and that's something very insane. Not just that, but Midora used Minority World. Minority World. That is a tribute to Ichiryu. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know. But it didn't really work because, again, when God arrived, Midora kind of got distracted, and the time that Joey needed, and of course Joey also distracted him by turning into Froze again, and the time that she needed, the 0.1 second, she got that and she sealed him in that golden can. Now, I'm pretty sure that Midora won't be sealed in it for a long time. I think he might just break out of it, because I know Jiro was able to break those weapons, those cookware, which was made of the golden foodware. He was able to break that. I'm pretty sure that Midora will also be able to do that. Yeah. So what do you guys think about this chapter? Please leave it in the comment section below. Please like the video and subscribe. Till next time.